You've defrosted it, prepped it, cooked it. Now it's time to carve it. Once you're happy, your turkey is cooked thoroughly all the way through. You'll need to let it rest for 30 to 45 minutes. You can do this loosely wrapped in foil, and then we like to cover ours with warm, damp tea towels before carving. But the resting helps allow the juices to be reabsorbed as the meat rests, so you have a moist turkey. So once you've given your turkey time to rest, it's then time to carve it. So you want to start off by removing the legs and the wings. So start by pulling each wing away from the body and then cut through the joint which connects it to the breast and separate it. Now you can either leave your wings whole to serve, or you can take the meat off the bone, which is what we do, and then you just repeat this whole process again for the other wing. Then we moved on to removing the legs. So again, start by cutting through the meat and the skin between the leg and the breast to help you pull away the legs, which will expose the joint. And as a side note, you can see here that the turkey is still steaming hot even after it's been rested, which is a good indicator it's cooked thoroughly all the way through. And once you reach the joint, you then need to cut through it, which will allow you to remove the entire leg and the thigh from the breast. Then once it's been separated, you can then cut through the joint to separate the thigh from the drumsticks. So you have your two pieces of meat, which you could again serve whole, or you can take the meat off so you've got a mix of dark and white meat, and then you do the exact same thing the other side. So now you've got your legs removed and your wings removed. One thing not to forget is the two oysters on the back, which are located where the thigh connects to the bird. Now these are the most succulent pieces of meat, and you'll definitely want to make sure you save one for yourself. And then last but definitely not least, you're then left with the two breasts. So start off by locating the breastbone and run your knife down between the two. Then you'll want to gently pull away one of the breasts while cutting the meat away from the carcass, and the whole breast should come off as one. Then you just need to separate the other breast from the carcass using the exact same process. And so now this is all of the meat off of the bone, and at this point you can discard your carcass or you can keep it for stock if you like. And it's just time to slice the breast meat and take the dark meat off of the bones, unless you're leaving them whole of course, and serving them as drumsticks or wings. And there you go, that is your turkey plated up and ready to serve. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please give it a big like and subscribe to my channel for lots more.